All right, guys, today again we have Lina. Lina, how have you been feeling since you began treating?
A lot better, getting like looser and less tight and like everywhere.
Everywhere. That is amazing. All right, so Lina's been coming in pretty consistently, and we've been able to get her out of a lot of pain. She's had some hip pain, some low back pain. A little more.
That's all this one.
Kind of tight today, man. That's why he came in. Get us no community guideline one.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, guys, today again we have Lina. Lina, how have you been feeling since you began treating?
A lot better, getting like looser and less tight and like everywhere.
Everywhere. That is amazing. All right, so Lina's been coming in pretty consistently, and we've been able to get her out of a lot of pain. She's had some hip pain, some low back pain. We're able to get her mobilized pretty good. Let your head drop for me. Drop. There we go. A little more. And let it drop one more time. Good.
That's all this one.
Just relax on me. You kind of tight today, man.
Yeah.
That's why he came in. Just relax. There we go. Do me a favor, lift one leg up for me, keep it straight. Other one. All right. Just relax. Good. Uncross. Lift that one up again. There we go. Why don't you get us no community guideline one? Just relax. That was the one? Your ankle was funny last time, I don't know.
You said it was that one.
It was that one?
Well, that one was the one I sprained.
Yeah?
This one, but that one you said had that something extra.
Any surgery on this one? No, right? No. I think it was both of them. Something weird about these. Something weird you got going on in Ohio with them feet, man. Just relax. Good. Sit down up. How's the shoulders?
They're tense.
Tense?
Yeah.
All right. You play any sports? Not anymore. Done with that, huh? Back in the day?
Yeah.
Just relax. Retired. What sports?
Volleyball, lacrosse.
Volleyball, lacrosse?
Mm-hmm.
Black people play lacrosse?
A little bit.
A little bit.
A couple.
A couple?
It was only me on my team.
I'm pretty sure. I ain't never met a black lacrosse player.
Mm-hmm.
You play lacrosse too, Sanjay? Wow. Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all were the only two. Just relax. That's that swinging with the, what do you even call those?
A stick.
A stick. Okay. That's that.
A lacrosse stick.
I thought it was something special, like a special name or something like that. No. Okay. Here. Shows how much I know about lacrosse. To me, I just thought it was just like, essentially like soccer, right? But with a stick.
I guess, yeah, both. Flying ball.
That's what they call it, flying ball. The names are so.
It's a lacrosse ball.
Okay.
Just the ball's just not on the ground and it's small.
All right. How you feel? Ready to play some lacrosse?
No, definitely not.
You got it. Cause you got to hit people in lacrosse, right? It's like football, soccer.
No, you're not supposed to.
You know, but people do it.
Not like it's like body contact.
Like a little.
Like soccer kind of.
Okay.
Not.
But it looks like a little more.
Boys hit each other with the stick.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just body.
Wow. Yeah, I'm playing lacrosse. All right, you good to go.